struggling to lose weight no matter how much you diet or exercise? Turns out, it's not your fault.
Introducing Exipure, the tropical secret for healthy weight loss.
With Exipure you can eat all your favorite foods every day more than ever. Like apple pies, hamburgers, pizza and ice cream.
Exipure is one of the most powerful products that will help you restore health and build vitality.
Exipure is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before.
It is the only product in the world with a proprietary blend of 8 exotic nutrients and plants, designed to target low brown adipose tissue levels, the newfound root cause of your unexplained weight gain.
Natural formula, easy to swallow, plant ingredients, no stimulants, non-GMO, non-habit forming.
Exipure has changed the lives of thousands of women and men from 18 to 80, and is designed to rapidly dissolve fat in even the worst cases.
Losing weight naturally is a dream for many individuals. Don't miss your chance. Click the link below this video to learn more about this revolutionary product.